today we are discussing about Indian women achievers. So let's get started. My first question is first woman Prime Minister. She is the first woman Prime Minister of India. Also the recipient of Bharat Ratna and Jawaharlal Nehru awards. So you have to give me in the comment. So tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3. So the answer is Indira Gandhi. So the next question is leader of the Narmada Bachao Andolan, a movement to stop the construction of that beginning to build dams on Narmada river. So give me quickly answer. Give the answer quickly. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, and tick tick 3. So the answer is Medha Patkar. So the next question is Indian tennis icon who became the first Indian woman to win the WTA title. So give me the answer. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3. So the answer is Sania Mirza. The next question is first woman president of India and also former governor of Rajasthan. So the tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3. So the answer is Pratibha Patil. Next question is Indian woman IPS officer of India. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3. So the answer is Kiran Bedi. And I have a flat blight also. So see, flat blight is about the Kiran Bedi also. Police woman Kiran Bedi was once a champion of tennis also. She was playing tennis also and she was a champion also of tennis. So the next question is Indian writer and the winner of the Booker Prize. So tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3. I'm going like the speed too slow. So the answer is Arundhati Roy. Next question is the first Indian to be the crown of Miss Universe. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3. So the answer is Susmita Sen. And the last and my favorite question is Melody Queen of India has sung more than 2,500 songs. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3. So the answer is Lata Mangeshkar. Do you know I like Lata Mangeshkar songs? So my favorite song is Dabli Wale, Dabli Baja. That is my favorite song. So like it, subscribe it, and we will meet in next video. Okay, do comment also. Okay, bye.